Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Yes, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on your time and where you are watching me from. I remain your brother, your friend, Dada Massis. Please, this is a breaking news and this is a public announcement to all sons and daughters of Edo State or outside Edo State. There is one boy, his name is John Eis. They use Comrade Tony Kabaka campaign, the scam. He want to use and they scam people for online. If they post a account, put on the Chronic Kabaka, put he go say, he say na in the raise fund for Comrade Tony Kabaka, and he no know say we know say in a scam. So he could do an issue me day now. So and I don't confirm the person is a scam. Nothing like that. So I want to come make an official to all of you and say, if you see any account for social media that is not from Tony Kabaka, is a scam. So let me put in the person online now. The boy is a criminal and his number will be disposed and we are going to give his number to police, give his he just sent me the account for my own private WhatsApp. Because now my private WhatsApp, I take that to I don't know whether they follow me for social media. I may not get my public WhatsApp. He don't send me account number and we have confirmed it is a scam. So the boy right now, we are about to expose him. Let's go. Let's go. We are about to expose him. Right? Okay. He don't send me number, my one call. He don't send me another number. Okay. Now the boy they message me, so the criminal. He don't send me number, now my one call. He's a criminal. Nobody should fall a victim or fall for him. Now thief. Now it be. Now the number one call so the boy na thief, and I beg all of you in the name of God, don't fall for him. Please, Tony Kabaka never bring any account or tell anybody say me they can pay for solicit funds for social media. So I beg you in the name of God, do not fall for 419 or the name of Comrade Tony Kabaka saying that they want supporter. Is a scam and is a scam. I'm telling you guys the truth. Okay. You they send me your number. Now your number you they send me. So let me call this. If this one go. It's a scam and it's a scam. One of the list, It's a scam. See the number.
Hello?
Bros, I greet you, bros.
Yes, sir. What is that?
Now me that when me they call you for WhatsApp, just that man say I want to come out.
I don't hear your voice, so.
So, bros, you say your name is waiting.
This is John. John Ellis.
Okay, John Ehis on Facebook. Okay, you say now you will fit pay the because I want to be CC. I want to be sure so that because I want to transfer 400,000. I want to do like 400 t-shirts.
Okay.
So that your account you send for me now. If I put the money, no problem.
No problem. Okay, no, but it's not clear. My wife will stay with you here because my wife knows the one who come on nonsense.
Okay, so you are telling me now that if you do it, Kabaka will be aware, Abi?
Yes, if you say to me now, doing what I happen to you, I will set up for you. So, please be example. This is what I do.
Okay, so what do you want to confirm? Na Kabaka say me you help and solicit money for online or do you know Tony Kabaka? Because I want to deal with the right person. 400,000 not be small.
I threw my account, you're going to for because me for time, me know what they because when Tony Kabaka the way I they not be small, far now look what they.
Okay, so now if I put you so what I want to confirm now that okay, Kabaka go tell no say me send that money. That is what I want to know. Say me send that money for the one me take do t-shirt. I go tell no say na me send that money me take do t-shirt.
See, if you send the money to me, you will take Kabaka number Diana. I will call and say, "Who pays direct sending money for the T-shirt?"
You not get Kabaka number. You may want to collect money. Okay, bless you, I don't understand though. You not get Kabaka. On a two not be friend.
We be friends, see, not with the chat. We don't the chat. No, me and you with the chat, no, finish. No.
For Facebook, I be for WhatsApp. I don't understand.
For Facebook.
Tell me give you a number and I may you letter so that in case I send that because I want to confirm her so that I want to do the transaction and I make me say I call you direct.
Okay, you keep doing. There's no problem. Keep doing. I bet you now. Keep doing. There's no problem with that one.
Okay, so okay, if I do now, you take a back and say now one boy and I support her with 400,000 me to do T-shirt, Abi.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, man, not fear. Okay. So you are okay. What I want. So are you guys assuring us that Tony Kabaka will win this election, Abi?
Yes. Because I don't already send message to all my friends on WhatsApp or Facebook that they should not do anybody apart from Kabaka. Now we need.
Okay, you don't tell everybody say if not be Kabaka, and I not go give anybody. So now make Kabaka say may you help her. They ask anybody if anybody go support him Abi because he know say you did very okay.
Yes. I even support both my Facebook or everybody at the right and the president. So let them make sure they support Kabaka. That we need.
Okay. So I will have you now. What you say be your name again for Facebook?
My name is John Ehus.
Okay, John Ehus. So na Kabaka say may you help him. Solicit money. Okay, John Ehus. Which tribe you be? Okay, Igweben. Okay. John Ehus, thank you very much. I will transfer. I don't see your account number. For me, not be your name, Dana. The account number me you send for me, not be your name. 28 seconds, but you say your name now is John, but now 28 seconds, let me see now. Okay. Thank you very much. I will transfer 400,000 now. I will transfer 400,000, then I will send you the receipt. But I want to tell you something. If say you don't know who they talk. My name is Dada Massis. That video may you post your account number put na me do am. Why you they do 419 like this? You be thief. You don't know say we know Tony Kabaka. You don't know say we know Tony Kabaka. You don't know say we not Tony Kabaka junior brother. Why you call the lie? Say Tony Kabaka tell you say me the empire they collect money. Why you the lie? Why you want scam people through Tony Kabaka campaign? Your number will be reported to the police. Your account will be reported to the police. Then Tony you go meet Tony Kabaka. Tony Kabaka will come meet you. Tony Kabaka will come meet you. The time you tell you say me they use your Facebook and your account, they collect money for them. You call talk am. As me they talk now, you dey live video. If you don't know me, you know you dey live video with your number and your account will be displayed. You are a criminal, you are a fraud. You want now they spoil Tony Kabaka name. Now I'll go use Tony Kabaka name, go do something. I'll say na Tony Kabaka and Tony Kabaka no know one, no two. All of you be thief. Why must you be putting account number that? Why must you be putting account number that na Tony Kabaka say me they collect money for him? Why you go lie? Why are you lying on Tony Kabaka? Listen to me. I don't tell you now. Your number, I go send and give Tony Kabaka now. Your account number, I go send and go give Tony Kabaka. Police will call you or DSS for you to go explain. When Tony Kabaka tell you say me you help her they collect money for social media. When he tell you to campaign manager for social media. When he tell you say collect, you don't know say everything me they talk since he dey record. You don't know say everything me they talk since he dey record. 419, you don't know say everything me they talk since he did record. You don't know say everything me they talk since they record. 419. You don't know say they record. Why will you lie on Comrade Tony? Now some until they talk lie for a year. Why must you lie on Comrade Tony Kabaka? Why? If you don't want me police arrest you, if you don't want me extend your number, everything go get Comrade Tony Kabaka, may they come find you now. Just use your mouth talk say na lie you dey lie or na truth you dey talk. Just talk am now. Oga, everything may you talk since day on live video. Everything may you talk. Oga, everything may you talk since. Where you dey? Where you dey? Oga, everything may you talk since they record. You know, say they live video. You know, as we dey talk now. As many they talk now. As many they talk now. Many people they watch you. They listen to your voice as you they talk now. People they watch you, and your phone number don't they everywhere. Your phone number now, I don't put that for her. You cannot be spoiling Tony Kabaka's name or the name of say you want collect money 400,000. You say you want Tony Kabaka just talk finish na for Facebook. Not be what you talk. Not. Yes, now you know what they say 400,000 so that I go fit cash the kind phone one maybe. You know say for one if you not tell them big money, they not go back to your room. Now when you lie for them, as you say you sabi lie, now make me lie for you. Why you call they tell me say you are Tony Kabaka your talk finish na. Why you tell me? You don't know say Tony Kabaka na street governor. All of us get the number. But you say on a two talk finish for Facebook nana. You say you and Tony Kabaka talk finish for Facebook nana. Not waiting you talk. Listen, you don't know say Tony Kabaka na father of all the children. You don't know say Tony Kabaka na street governor. Say everybody get a phone number. Everybody know her. So why you call it talk lie? Why you call okay? Tell me now why you call lie? Now uncle they beat you. Now uncle they beat you. Why you call lie? Why you call they post your phone number, they follow all your account number, they follow all social media and your phone number. Say if they want support Tony Kabaka, may they call your phone number, may they put money for your account. Tony Kabaka ask you. Why you do that one? Why you go put Tony Kabaka name? Why you put Tony Kabaka name? You want spoil on a never spoil name reach for Bini. Why you go put his name? Say if they want support Tony Kabaka, why you go put your account? Why will you put your account? I not be me one verse. You want spoil political career. You want them now they go do bad finish. On I'm saying Tony Kabaka. So now tell they spoil name for Bini. Certain people they say Tony Kabaka na this, Tony Kabaka na that, Tony Kabaka na this, and they don't know say now people like una they spoil Tony Kabaka. And listen, police weave. This your number. This your number. This your number. Police will look for you. Your account number, police is going to ask. I go ask me how you dey talk finish. I go forward and go give Comrade Tony Kabaka, the street governor. He never tell anybody say, "Mona help me beg money for social media." For the one way you do so, you are a criminal, you are a fraud, you are a scam, and you must face the law. You cannot be damaging a man that is going for political elite, spoiling his name on social media, blackmailing people with his name. And Tony Kabaka did not ask you to do that. Comrade Tony Kabaka did not ask you to. Listen, that video may you put your number. Listen to me. Listen, that video may you put your number on your account. Now the boy may do want to talk to you, so Dada Massis. My name is Dada Massis. Now the person may do one. Now I call you so. And now the person may do one. Now they call you. Now you give your account. Why are you scamming people through? Listen, go meet Tony Kabaka. And if you want, may we not carry this matter. Listen, if you know how I carry this video. Listen, if you know how I carry this video, go give DSS, police, Tony Kabaka. Go meet her now for Ugbo. You're go at that ticket now, Go lead down the beg and say, you be one spoil name for social media. Say, may I beg, may forgive you. Yours go now. Yours, we are giving you at least 30 minutes for you to go and meet Tony Kabaka. Say, now Dada Massis say you come. Say you be one play Dada Massis 419. And you don't know say Dada Massis. Now me do the video, may you put your account number and your number. So go meet and say, now Dada Massis say may you call beggar. Say, may you not vex. Say, see what you be they using there they do for social media. Except, believe me, before 48 hours, police will be on your door. Or anywhere you did, they will locate you. You are in Nigeria, all your phone number is with me, your Airtel number, your account number, and you have everything is on BVN. Tony Kabaka must come out for you. You are a bad man. Now they spread Tony Kabaka name. Hey, Tony Kabaka go mabio. Hey, Tony Kabaka they beat mama. Tony Kabaka they beat papa. Tony Kabaka they do this. So waiting the man not no one not two for. Now go to one. People call the old Tony Kabaka. You now a slave goat. Goodbye. Have a very wonderful day. God bless you for your phone and I work. Thank God say I expose you. So all people all over the world, when I see this number, more now they call and say why he wants where Tony Kabaka the man made they go for political elite. Now to represent the youth, the ones where they say they used to name the fraud people. Honestly, this is one of them that is frauding people. This is one of them that is using Tony Kabaka name to fraud people. This is one of the people that want to spoil Comrade Tony Kabaka political ambition. This is one. See the number, more than they call them. That your account number, I go poster now. The police, the DSS, and everybody, we are going to send it to them. Send it to Comrade Tony Kabaka to look for this boy and tell him to retrieve his step. So my brother, have a very wonderful day. They wait for the next result on your house. You are a 419. So my people, on a scam, I did a video. Might tell you what happened. I did a video yesterday. This so-called his John posted his number and his account. Said, if you want to support Comrade Tony Kabaka, support through this account. And I know very well, Comrade Tony Kabaka have never tell anybody that, hey, Mona see account, Mona want to tell people me they support me for online. So I do my conversation, nothing like that. Now it's okay. This is one of these people that may once spoil Comrade Tony Kabaka name. And now all those kind of people now this way. Tony Kabaka do this. Tony Kabaka do that. Tony Kabaka na bad person. Tony Kabaka na this one. On I see the way boys now. Okay, you say okay. You see this kind of people now. I wish you see that account now. Who know many people made up for you now. You know what? As I call her now, I know say in a scam. Now, so on I know say I be cash scam. Where if you have been following me, you know say na 419. I the cash 419 where. As I call her now, say what I go to attract this person. Maybe say you go really talk to me where. Now it's okay. I'll boost down with 400K. Now plans okay like this. If they talk to me for WhatsApp, now say no. More talk direct. Now he send me number. He two number. Now plans okay. Don't worry. I'll give you 400K. What is it? He say my you're doing here. Tony Kabaka you're the talk. Here Tony Kabaka you're the talk. My brothers, you guys cannot see that. People are using Tony Kabaka's name to do rubbish. When this man, Tony Kabaka, no one, no two. People are using Comrade Tony Kabaka name to do rubbish. And this man, no one. I wish you don't fall for this kind of victim now. Tomorrow they talk about Tony Kabaka. You say, no, Tony Kabaka may scam me money. And you know, no, say no be Tony Kabaka. This is one of them. Those are the people doing it. Those are the people doing it. A man that is good. You want to spoil his political career. You want to damage his political career. So, my people, in the account, I will post the account and the person's phone number. So, no. Listing. His own account is different than this, his account. I don't know if you understand. You know, now when we tell her everything now, in now they talk say, in your they do on your own. Tony Kabaka no say na. In Tony Kabaka no even talk. In your they do on your own. Tony Kabaka no say na. Because he don't know now say me no Tony Kabaka. He don't know now say we as in now me do that video. May he go put your account number and his phone number. He don't know now say na me. So he know if he escape now. So now making the talk now say Tony Kabaka not say now, he not get Tony Kabaka number, they are to know who know. But he tell us now for the video say, in Tony Kabaka they talk for messenger. Is it not what he said? You know say we know not street governor, you not go know your street governor, you not go know our own youth leader, we not go know our youth leader. Now we say we don't know what they do if we don't know our youth leader. So my people, be careful. Many like this will still be availing. Many like this go see the avail. So God bless you, stay blessed, and shalom.